everyone, this is Trilochun from Silan Software Pvt. In this video, I will explain what is stream. So stream is a Java 8 feature. So once we will use the concept of stream, what we will get the benefit, what we are getting advantages. So let us consider a problem task, and that problem task I will resolve without stream, then same problem task I will resolve with stream concept. As a result, we will get the clarity what is the main advantage of stream. So basically stream is we can say a stream API is a sub package of java.util package. So let us consider task. So for that, first of all, I have to import java.util package, and I will import java.util.stream.star package. Let it, I have a class, let class stream example public static void main string args. Let I have a problem test. Suppose I will consider a collection. Suppose let it array list. Suppose array list. Let I will assign integer data items. Let suppose L1 suppose equals to new array list integer this. So I can add by invoking add method. So I can insert integer data item, suppose 10. Let L1 dot add 15. Let L1 dot add let 20. L1 dot add let 25. Let L1 dot add let 30. Okay, suppose these integer data items that I inserted into L1. What is L1? L1 is the object of array list. Basically, array list is an implementation class of list interface. So here, what is the feature of array list? Duplicates are allowed and insertion order is preserved. That means in which order we will insert the data item, in same order we will get the data item. So you see, if I will the write system dot out dot println L1. Now I want to display all data items, so definitely it will display 10, it will display 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. You see, if I will save, let it, my program name is stream example dot java. I will do all files, I will save, I will go to command prompt, I will go to A drive, go to Java programs folder, Java C stream example dot java. Then I will run Java space class name stream example. You see, we got 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So what is the value of L1? Now my problem task is, suppose my problem task is what? I want to retrieve, I want to display all event data items from the collection L1. This is my problem task, and I will resolve this task. First we will see without stream concept, without stream. So how? So you see, let I will take suppose another object. In this way I can take also a list integer, this is generic, equals to new array list. So in this way I can represent integer So I took another object. So my objective is, my problem task is from L1 whatever the event data items 10 20 30, so that event data items I will assign in L2, then I will print L2. So as a result I will so get the output that is 10 20 and 30. These are the event data items. So what I will write here, so I can use a for each loop, that is enhanced for loop, integer let I1 one variable colon suppose L1, that means for each value of L1 in I1, then so I will put a condition. Condition is what? If I1 modulo 2 double equals to 0, okay, then L2 my output object dot add method, then I1. So this is my business logic. So then I will end the for loop. You see what I did. So this is my logic. I wrote one for each loop that I used. The meaning is, so let I1 is another variable. So meaning is for each value of L1 in I1, that means L1 value assigned in I1, then based on this condition the data item will insert into L2, because I have written L2 dot add. So this is the if body, this statement. So this statement is if body, and this statement will execute based on this condition. So it is nothing but what? If expression. This is the loop body. So here loop body is an if expression. So we know that if condition is true, then body will execute. So based on this condition, data item will insert by invoking add method, will insert into L2. Now after that I will write one output statement after for loop, system.out.println, suppose L2, my output object is L2. Okay, so you see now I will save. I will go to command prompt, Java C space file name stream example dot Java. Okay, just little bit mistake, list integer. Then I will save Java C stream example dot Java. Then I will run Java space class name Java space stream example. You see, so based on output statement, output always coming to the picture. We have two output statements, system.out.println L1 and system.out.println L2. So my objective is what is the value of L2, 10, 20, 30 and all are event data items. So this a problem task that I resolved without using stream concept. Now same problem task I will resolve with stream concept, and the result we will get the clarity what exactly the stream is and what is the benefit of stream, what is the main advantage of stream. Okay, so now what I will do, I will write my business, I will remove my business logic. Remove my business logic. So let it that L2 is my output object now with stream concept. So now L1 contains 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So now I will use the stream concept. There is a method, stream method dot. So what is my task? My task is I will filter all event data items from the collection L1. So for that there is a filter method I called. So in which basis it will filter? So let it, so suppose I have to specify the condition. let it suppose a variable, suppose I will represent a lambda expression, then I modulo 2 double equals to 0. Based on this condition, the data item will filter. Then whatever the data item will filter, it will collect. So there is a method, collect method, and it will collect and assign into a list. For that, what we have to do, there is a method to list method that we have to call, and to list method is a static method. So that's why it is directly invoking by class collectors. There is a built-in class collectors dot to list method. Okay, so in this way, one line I wrote instead of multiple lines. You see, so before that, when without stream, I was writing the logic, multiple lines of code that I had written. But now with stream concept, now in a single line of code, my task resolved. Control will understand correctly, and for resolving our task. L1 containing, again I'm repeating, so let we have another object L2, let it is my output object. L1 containing L1 means what, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 dot stream method, because we are using stream API, stream concept, stream method dot filter method. Filter is a built-in method. So stream API or stream feature supports various built-in methods. So stream method dot filter method, filtering all data items, particularly event data items, based on this condition, based on this expression. This is a lambda expression. Based on this expression, the data event data item will filter, event data item will generate and collect. Okay, so we will collect. So how it will collect? So there is a built-in method that we have to call. So that is collect method, and within collect method, whatever what I have first, you see, collectors.toList method, whatever the data item generated, now that will collect and assign in the form of a list. So for that we have to call toList method. ToList method is a static method, as we know, a static method directly invoking by the class. So here the class name is collectors. Okay, so enter right hand side, so it will process. So whatever the output generated, output assigned in L2. So whatever the output data generated, that will assign in L2. Now I will print L2. Okay, now we will see, we will check. Now I save, I will go to command prompt, Java C stream example.java. Now there is no error, Java space class name stream example. You see, happily we got the output. Happily we got the output. What is the value of L2? Now happily we can observe. So the main advantage is what we observed, code complexity reduced. Instead of multiple lines of code, within a single line of code, our task resolved. So stream advantage is this, so reducing the code complexity, and it is a completely what, Java 8 feature. Okay, so I hope everybody got clarity.